guys how to make a wig. So for starters, this is the cap that I use. I use a mesh dome cap because I find that it's more like breathable and stuff like that. This is the hair that my client is actually going to be using. It's just beauty supply hair, nothing crazy. And yeah, she got 16, 18, and 20. And this is actually good hair from the beauty supply store. Okay, so this is nice and zoomed in. So basically I insert the needle. Sometimes you could do it inside the weft, sometimes it'll be easier to do it outside the weft. I'll show you both. I'll demonstrate both for you. So I do 1, 2, 3 loops around the needle, and then I pull it. And that's how I stitch my wefts. Okay? I'm gonna demonstrate how to do it outside the weft. So you just insert the needle, you find it, and you see that it did not touch the weft over here. And then you do the same thing. 1, 2, 3. Pull. And that bad boy is nice and ready to go. Like it's not going nowhere, baby. Where you going? I'm not going anywhere, sweetie. Okay, so I'm gonna do this for the whole entire 3 bundles. Remember I told you I have 20, 18, and the shortest is 16. And for the frontal, I think I forgot to tell you, the frontal is 14 inches. So this part right here, some people like to cut their wefts. I actually don't like cutting my wefts because I feel like it alters the longevity of the hair, and it also like sheds. So what I do the fold over method. So you legit just fold the weft over the other weft, but you slightly go above. So I would do that. 1, 2, 3, pull, secure. Okay, we're gonna do it again. 1, 2, 3. I do it fairly fast, like yeah, because I've been doing this for like years. I've been doing my best friend Raquel, she passed away, his hair for years. Like when I like first started doing hair, she was like my test dummy. She was like, could you do my hair? I'm like, I don't know how to. She said we could learn together. And then ever since then I just kept doing it, and I kept doing makeup. If you look at my first like video I posted on this channel, then you'll see my best friend Raquel. I love makeup and I love doing hair because of my best friend, and she was like my biggest supporter, and like everything I do now is because of her. Because I know she's like watching over me and stuff. So I'm just trying to be the best version of myself every single day. Like every day I wake up just thanking God for another day. So yeah, let me stop talking and continue doing this hairstyle. Surprisingly, this hair is nice. Like, okay. I probably might take like a little nap and then finish later on, like when I wake up, to be honest with you, because I'm like exhausted. But yeah, my trainer, oh my gosh, demolished me tonight. I'll make sure I insert some clips so you guys could see. He's playing no games, okay, baby? He playing no games. And I'll make sure I put him down in my description box so you can follow him. And I also have a best friend. Hi, Manny. He was my first trainer. Like, my body was in the best shape of my life up until I went to nursing school. Okay, So I'll also put his information down in the description box below too. You know, you have to support your kind. They're both Haitian, so yeah, I'll put both of them down below for you. Okay, and let me know if you want a video of, you know, some of the workouts that I do, my meal prep. Okay, we're back. I did both the 20 and the 18 inch. I have the 16 left. So right now I'm gonna put the closure in. So this is a 4x4 closure, and I told you guys already that this was 14 inches. Okay, so basically what I do, I use these two tabs. There's one on this side, one on that side. And of course, you could use, since this is basically a beginner friendly video, I'm gonna use my T-pins. So you just in the front, the center, and then you just put it in the back. Let me see if I can put it a little higher. Guys, I don't want to hear nothing on my bed, okay? Oh, gosh. Then you put it here. So now all you have left to do is just sew the sides down. And that's exactly what we're gonna do. We're gonna sew the sides down. Okay? So needle thread. I'm gonna do one side for you. Make sure you hold it like very taut, very tight. Okay? This part is very important. Whenever you're done making the wig, as you can see, I'm done. This is the inside. You can see like the stitching and everything. So what you want to do is cut out the excess cap under the closure so it can lay flat. So that's what we're gonna do, okay? If you want the closure to be more realistic, which I am going to do, I am going to tweeze this bad boy, because I don't know, it's not giving me like a natural look that I usually go for. And also another thing you could do with this closure, it doesn't come bleached. I guess this is how the knots are, and I feel like it's pretty cool. But for whoever, or even yourself, you could also put your foundation or foundation powder on it, so it could be, you know, your scalp, looking like your scalp. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Mwah.